In this video I'm going to talk about some of the different ways the genitive case can be used in Latin. So you remember that we met the genitive case back in stage 16. It is translated either using the word of or an apostrophe. So for example, Maritus Galateae erat Aristo. We could translate that either as Galatea's husband was Aristo or the husband of Galatea was Aristo. And Galatea or Galateae there is in the genitive case. So there are a number of different ways or reasons why we would use the genitive case. The first one, the one that we've already met, is known as the possessive genitive. So this is where the genitive case is used to indicate possession, or who owns something or who something belongs to. So for example, pro templo Caesaris stat ara. Near the temple of Caesar stands an altar. That temple belongs to Caesar. Mater puerorum nobis dixit. The boy's mother spoke to us. The mother belongs to the boys. So here are two examples of the possessive genitive, or the genitive of possession. In stage 22 we start seeing a couple of different uses of the genitive case, and the first one is the partitive genitive. So this will be phrases like, for example, satis pecuniae, literally enough of money, but we'd probably translate this better as enough money, or plus sanguinis, more, literally of blood, more blood. So it's slightly confusing because partitive genitive is used to indicate the whole of which something is a part. So of all the money in the world, we're referring to enough. Of all the blood there could be, there is more of it, and so on. So it is made up of two different parts. The first is a word like satis, plus, and so on, indicating an amount or quantity. And then we have a noun in the genitive case, which is used to describe the whole thing of which we are referring to a part. The other new type of genitive we meet is the descriptive genitive. And so this is found in phrases like, for example, homo ingenii pravi, a man of evil character, or femina magnae dignitatis, a woman of great prestige. So this, as the name suggests, is used to describe a noun, and it's using a noun and adjective phrase. So in the first example, ingenii is the noun character, pravi is the adjective evil. And so those two combined in the genitive case are used to add further description to the man. So it's more than just describing him as an evil man or a prestigious woman. So key points to take away from this video: the genitive is always going to be translated either using the word of or an apostrophe. However, it can fall into a few different types, and this will affect how you translate it. So the first one is possessive, indicating who owns something or who something belongs to. The second is partitive, describing the whole of which something is a part. And finally we have descriptive, which is making a noun and adjective phrase in the genitive case to describe something.